Hi everyone. This is a very quick example of how you can submit an assignment. In this case, we're going to use the submitted reflection as our example. So what I've done is I've gone down to Module 2 and I've clicked on Submitted Reflection. This process is exactly the same regardless of which module you might be in. I will always strongly suggest that you go to the pages and scroll down to the assignment or the content or the discussion questions. Many times you'll find information that will be helpful to you on the page, as opposed to going straight to activities and assignments. Sometimes you'll lose information that will give you a very clear example of what you're being asked for, and this is particularly true of the standards in the core course. So if you go here, you'll not see some of the information that's provided to you that will allow you to know how to do this and to give you some prompts and reflective items to help guide you to get there much more quickly. So I'm going to go to Pages. I'm in Module 2. Well, let's go to Module 1 just to make it easier. We're going to go to Submitted Reflection. And here is a video on how to submit your reflection assignments. There's just a couple of items that have changed though, and that's why I'm going to insert this particular one. So here we are in Individual Reflection 1. This gives you everything you actually need to know about the reflection that you're asked to write. You can click here and that will take you to the assignment, or you can click here because you're ready to actually do the assignment or hand it in. Here's the hand-in assignment page. Suppose you can't remember what the prompt or questions are. If you click on More, now you can see them all right in front of you. You have two options, or at least two options. You can answer this in Word and save the document and then copy and paste it in, or you can go straight to Write a Message, click there, and begin to answer your reflection questions. When you've finished your submission, and you've written everything you want to write, you can either save it, let's say you're not quite done, or you can hand it in down here in this button. Suppose you say to yourself, well, gosh, I really hope that got handed in. Here's how you can check. Now you can go to Activities, click on Assignments, and you see Individual Reflection 1 and hand it in. You have a green check mark. So that means, yes, you did it correctly. If there's any issue with the uploading, sometimes there is, most of the times there is not. We'll let you know if something doesn't come through or the instructor can't download it. We'll get back to you by putting an R in the gradebook for that assignment. And then you can go check and see, okay, what's going on? Did something not upload correctly, or is there something I need to change? When you go to Standard 8 Portfolio, this is what you will find if you're just clicking on the assignment. There's hardly any information here. So that's why I'm going to strongly suggest to you that anytime you're working on an assignment or a wiki project or a discussion, you always go to the actual page. Here's my final portfolio of standards. Here's an explanation, a video, how you create your portfolio. There's an explanation of what you need to do for each standard. But let's say I'm doing Standard 8 and I want to take a look at it. On this page, here is a video of what you do for each standard. Here's an explanation of the substandards of Standard 8. Each standard has its own little sub-questions. And so this is explicitly to help you. When you do the section looking back, let's say you say, I want to do substandard 8.1 for my looking back. Here are questions that we've designed to guide you in helping to respond to that standard. So you'll find so much on this page, and folks who miss this really try to do it without nearly as much support as they can possibly get. So those are the two areas to show you in this video. I hope this helps. Please let me know if you have any questions.